Glow ASMR Lab.
Your skin is not dull. It is starving for attention, for care, for time. And tonight begins the ritual that changes everything forever. Look closely. This reflection is not magic. It is discipline. And what you see now will become your reality in just 30 days. 2 sides, 2 realities, 1 choice. Stay where you are or step into the version of yourself that glows without effort. Tie your hair, clear your mind, because this ritual demands presence. Every second matters. Every layer builds your transformation. The first touch of oil begins the cleansing, removing not just dirt, but the past your skin has been holding on to silently. Water meets skin, and suddenly everything feels alive, every drop awakening something deeper beneath the surface. Do not hide your pores, understand them, because only then can you truly transform what you see in the mirror. Layer after layer, your skin drinks silently, absorbing everything like dry earth welcoming the first rain. Warmth touches your face, opening everything, preparing your skin for what comes next in this precise ritual. Redness is not weakness, it is the beginning of change, a signal that your skin is waking up. Cold meets skin, and instantly everything tightens, refreshes, resets. This is where hydration truly begins. Every tap, every drop, every second builds hydration that goes deeper than anything you have tried before. This single drop holds power, penetrating layers you cannot see but will soon feel. Press gently, feel the bounce return. This is your skin remembering what it once was. Light begins to stay, not fade, not disappear, but stay exactly where it belongs. We move faster now, building layers, stacking hydration until your skin becomes something entirely new. Feel the smoothness, the softness, the subtle change happening beneath your fingertips. Look again.
Wow,
the glow is not
incredible.
illusion.
My skin
It is
looks so
forming,
smooth.
slowly
It's
but
so
surely.
radiant on all of us.
Mist surrounds you, wrapping your skin in moisture that locks everything into place. Synchronize your movements, because rhythm is what turns routine into ritual. Warm light fills the space, signaling a shift. This is where repair begins. Gold touches your skin, not for luxury, but for transformation beyond the surface. Every stroke shapes your face, guiding energy, lifting, defining, refining. Texture fades away, replaced by smoothness that feels almost unreal. Faster now, deeper now, stronger layers building something permanent. Watch closely. Absorption is instant. Your skin is ready, prepared, evolved. Light dances across your face, highlighting what was always meant to shine. Pressure, movement, flow, everything working together in perfect harmony. Pores begin to disappear, not hidden but transformed beyond recognition. This is the moment you realize change is no longer temporary. Soft light, calm energy, everything slows as you approach completion. Final layers demand precision, every movement controlled, intentional, perfect. You have come this far, and now there is no turning back. The mask seals everything, locking in every second of effort you gave. Slowly remove it, feel the difference instantly, see the transformation clearly. This glow is not surface level, it is deep, reflective, undeniable. Look again, closer this time. There is nothing to hide anymore.
Almost unsettling.
Light no longer escapes, it reflects perfectly and effortlessly. One final touch, sealing the transformation you created. This is glass skin, not imagined but achieved. Side
Look
by
at the before
side,
side,
the
so
proof is
cluttered and dark.
undeniable.
Right, and the after
This
is so
is what
bright and
consistency
organized. The lighting
creates.
difference is incredible.
Come closer, closer than ever before, and still nothing breaks the illusion. Even now, your skin continues to evolve, to improve, to shine. Every product, every step, every second brought you here. One last drop, a final seal to everything you built. This is not the end, it is the beginning of a new standard. Your glow speaks before you do, before you even move. Perfect symmetry, perfect rhythm, perfect result. Fade into light, into clarity, into something greater. This is your transformation, your proof, your power. Multiple angles, multiple moments, one undeniable truth. It works. Every detail matters, every layer counts, nothing is wasted. Reflection meets reality, and they finally match. Movement slows, but the glow remains constant. From cold to warm, from dull to radiant, complete transition. Circle around, see it from every angle, perfection holds. Speed fades, but results stay permanently. Every drop absorbed, nothing left behind. The glow intensifies, reaching its peak. And now you understand, this was never just skincare, this was transformation.
Glow ASMR Lab.